In this video, I'll be reviewing Swagbucks and I'll give you my opinion on whether I think it's worth your time in 2022. Now, I've made money from Swagbucks using the website just like you would be, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on whether I think you should do Swagbucks in 2022. Now, I'm not here to try and sell you any other alternative course or method. I'm going to give you my honest review about Swagbucks in 2022. So if you do appreciate that and you appreciate the honesty online, make sure you do leave a like and make sure you subscribe for more Make Money Online videos. With all that being said, we'll go to my computer and we'll take a look. So here we are inside my Swagbucks order status. You can see here I've used it in the past. I've earned £20 in Amazon gift cards, so it definitely is legit. It definitely does work. I've used it, I've made money with it, and I've currently got 623 Swagbucks in this account. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go to the homepage here, and I'm going to show you around Swagbucks, show you how you can make money, the different ways. Then I'll give you my opinion on whether I think it's worth it or not. And at the end of the video, what I'll do is I'll show you a method which you can follow with Swagbucks, which can earn you between $300 and $500 per month. Now, stick around for that method because it is a pretty unique method, and I'll show you what you need to do. But first, here are the different ways that you can earn money. So there are featured ways to earn, which are going to be on the homepage. Now, these are generally going to be some of the highest paying offers that you can do. So we'll just take a look at the first one here, which is a solitaire cruise Android app download. So if we go ahead and click on that, it will tell us about this offer. So we can go ahead and play this game here, and we have to complete World 15, and then we earn 2,000 Swagbucks. So if you enjoy playing iOS games, they have a lot of these offers, or Android games if you've got an Android, where you can download these apps, play these games, and once you hit a certain level, you'll earn so many Swagbucks. So you need to reach World 15 within 7 days, and you will then earn 2,000 Swagbucks. Now, if we go ahead and go to rewards and rewards home, we can just have an idea of how much 2,000 Swagbucks actually is. So you can see here 10 Great British Pounds is 1,400 Swagbucks. For those that are wondering, £10 is currently $13 US. You can get that straight into your PayPal account, and it all is working. I used to do Amazon gift cards back in the day, but you can use PayPal if you've got a PayPal account. They also have other options like MasterCard and other rewards that you can go ahead and scroll down and choose. So those are the featured ways to earn. You can go ahead and click on View All as well, and it will show you even more. You can keep scrolling down and they should load here. Now, different offers require you to do different things. You're going to have to go through these and click on each individual offer and maybe choose one or two that you can do. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Discover and Discover Home, and I'm going to show you here other ways that you can earn. So you've got your featured offers, you've got offers from trusted partners. Now these are going to be offers which are given to you by third parties, so you can go ahead and sign up to some of these. And you've also got popular offers here which you want to check out, and also recent offers. So one way of making money is by doing offers, and you can filter through if you want free offers or sign up offers here, or content discovery offers. You can go ahead and choose whatever offers you want. You can also filter for mobile apps as well. Now I'm going to show you another way, and then in a second I'll show you the way that you can earn $300 to $500 per month. So make sure you stick with me for that. Another good way of making money is going to the shop section and going shop home. And this will essentially give you cashback in the form of Swagbucks when you go ahead and make purchases. So we can go ahead and scroll down and click on View All on the featured stores, and it will show you here different websites. So if you want a VPN and you're considering NordVPN, if you go ahead and buy it through this link, you'll earn 4% cashback for making a purchase. So for every £1 that I spend, I'll earn 5 Swagbucks cashback into my account. So that's pretty good if you're considering buying stuff. Maybe you're considering buying a GoPro and you can get cashback. Even if you're buying clothes with Boohoo, you can get cashback on that. There's a lot of different shops on here, like hotels.com. If you're going on holiday, go ahead and do it through this link and you will get cashback in the form of Swagbucks. Same with flights. So you could book a holiday and get cashback and make money at the same time. So go ahead and definitely check these out. Definitely don't overlook these because you can make some easy money from money that you were going to spend anyway. Now going back to the homepage, you've also got the search feature. Now this is one of the most popular ways that people use it to make money. They actually make it their default search engine, and then if you go ahead and search for things, you will randomly get credited with Swagbucks. Now this doesn't happen all the time, and I might not be able to get it on video, but if you just use it like a normal search engine, occasionally you will earn Swagbucks. So it just doesn't happen for me. This is completely random, and sometimes it just doesn't give you Swagbucks because it's designed to give you them when you just use their search engine normally. So I can't show you an example of that, but I will show you the method that you can use to earn between $300 to $500 per month. So what you want to do, you want to go to Swagbucks, and you want to go here to your profile in the top right hand corner, and then go ahead and go to referrals. Then you want to go to invite more friends in the top right hand corner, and then you'll see $300 Swagbucks bonus plus 10% lifetime earnings. So if you go ahead and refer a friend, you will then get a 300 Swagbucks bonus when that friend earns 300 Swagbucks, and you'll also get 10% of their lifetime earnings. So if they earn 10,000 Swagbucks in their lifetime, you will earn 1,000 Swagbucks for free. Now I'm going to show you a method where you can get hundreds of people signing up under your link pretty much every day, and how you can earn passive income with Swagbucks by getting other people to do surveys and earn Swagbucks and making you Swagbucks passively for free. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and get your Swagbucks referral URL here. So this is your unique link to your account. Just go ahead and click copy, and you will have then copied your link, which is credited to your account. So whenever someone clicks on your link now and signs up, you will get credited for that referral. Now you can earn a 300 Swagbucks bonus and 10% of their lifetime earnings just by getting them to sign up under your link. So if I just go ahead and paste in the link here, you can see it's a referral link. And now what we can do, we can go ahead and promote this to people on the internet. Now there are different ways you can do this. You can do this through social media, you can do this through Facebook, you can get your friends to join. But the way that you can earn a lot of money and get mass traffic is by making a video on YouTube. Now don't worry if you can't make videos or you've never made one before. It's very easy, and I'll just quickly show you, for those that are interested, how you can do it. So if I go to YouTube and I just type in here, how to use Swagbucks, you can see there are videos here which show people how to use Swagbucks, and these videos aren't very complicated. Like this one here has 19,000 views and it's only 3 minutes long. And if you just take a look and play this video, you can see all this video is a screen recording with someone speaking over it. And they essentially show people how they can use Swagbucks, a bit like what I'm doing now. Mine's a bit more edited, but you can just screen record your screen. Then you'll have people searching for how to use Swagbucks. They'll watch your video, and you want to go ahead and put your Swagbucks referral link in the description here. Then when people go ahead and click on your link and sign up, you're going to get credited for that referral, and you're going to earn 300 Swagbucks bonus and 10% of their lifetime earnings. There are plenty of free screen recorders that you can use. I'm recording mine with OBS, but if you just go ahead and type in free screen recorder, you'll be able to find one and download one and start to make your video. Just talk over it, show people how to use Swagbucks, and refer them to Swagbucks through your link. That's been how you can make money with Swagbucks. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do if you're trying to earn some easy money. You're not going to earn money very fast unless you make a YouTube video about it. But if you want to make some easy money doing surveys, Swagbucks is definitely the best option. Please do make sure you leave a like, and make sure if you've got any questions, put them in the comment section below.